Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and initial detection so Windows can extend or duplicate. First, verify each monitor is powered and set to the right input. Loose cables cause the most silent failures. Once done, plug into the PC and wake the system. Next, open Settings and navigate to System Display to let Windows scan. Make sure you have admin access. It speeds driver updates if needed. This gets you to the point where multiple displays are visible to the OS. Now you'll arrange and choose how the displays behave. Click Identify so numbers appear on each monitor. That tells you which tile corresponds to which screen. Drag the tiles to match the physical layout and set one as your main display for the taskbar and new windows. Use the Multiple Displays drop-down to pick Extend, Duplicate, or Single Screen modes depending on your workflow. Also set resolution and scale per monitor, so text and windows render consistently across different pixel densities. Finish by tuning performance and solving common issues. Update graphics drivers to prevent detection or flicker problems. Use Device Manager or your GPU vendor's app. Adjust refresh rate and color profiles in advanced display settings so motion and colors match across screens. If a monitor still fails to appear, reboot with the monitor connected, try a different cable or port, and rerun Identify. If nothing works, test the suspect monitor on another PC. This isolates hardware versus Windows configuration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.